Hey, my name is James Mason with the Transparent Traders Facebook group. In this video, I have 3 stocks to watch starting May 2nd. So before we go any further, all I ask is for you to hit the subscribe button so you can continue to receive content like this and other things we have to offer in the future. So let's get into it. This first ticker, this is ticker CLX. So here it is on the 1-year, 1-day chart. As you can see, it was uptrending for a good while and then kind of started going sideways. Zooming in, complete reversal right here on the MACD, RSI obviously pointing down. Daily candlestick, gap down, shooting through this bottom Bollinger Band right here, extremely bearish. So what I would look for right here, and again, when looking at these stocks, you always have to know how the market is going to play out overall the following day. And how you can do that is basically looking at the futures, which is /YM, and that's for the Dow, and /ES, and that's for the S&P 500 futures. So it just kind of gives you some, or an idea of the sentiment for the market. So anyways, extremely bearish. Watch out at opening for that pullback, meaning it going up. Now, what I would like to see here is if you look back at this drawdown, and especially this one. And honestly, it looks more so like this one. But we'll focus on both of them since they're relatively close together. So this one right here, it resembles it more so. You see this massive candlestick, and then the next day it opens up right here and it does go up. This is kind of what I'm expecting right here. This is what I would look for. And when it started going up, I'd wait for it to kind of start coming back down, and as it started literally approaching its opening, at this point it's still in the green. That's when I would go ahead and take my short position and ride this thing down. So that's what I would want right there in a perfect world. And we obviously know how perfect worlds happen in stock trading. So now here, it's kind of the same thing, honestly. So it opens up right here, it runs up, and then runs back down. Again, that is what I am looking for. And this is ticker CLX. And this is a bearish play. So for the next one, this is ticker ASH. Here it is over the past year. Kind of goes up, and then this significant drop. This was the pullback in the market, which this is coming up again. Mark my words on it. I'm thinking about making a video, showing you guys what I mean. But it kind of goes sideways here, and then another drop again, which is the December drop, and then it comes up here and just going sideways for a while, and here we are. Obviously complete reversal on the MACD, RSI going down. This massive candlestick, extreme. So what I would look for, again, is basically, I would actually look for this one to either ride up green for a little bit and then pull back down like the other ones, or maybe even print a green day entirely and kind of go sideways maybe for a day or two and then another drop. So that's what I would look for right here. And this is ticker ASH. Now, the third and final one, this is ticker HLT, and this is a bullish play. So here it is over the past year. Kind of see it just bouncing around, and then it has these dips when the market dipped, and then it makes this upward trend. So complete reversal right here, MACD, RSI shooting up over 70. What I would expect here, honestly, is something like this, because you have this gap up and then this green day, it did have some pullback right here. But overall, especially over the next few days, I'd expect this thing, honestly, I mean, it could pull back. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell right now at the moment because the market is closed, and that's what you will have to look for when the market opens is the market going up or going down. And again, look at the futures right here. So what I would look for again is how it opens up. Hopefully, if it would do something like this would be great. And I'll come in a little closer. So as you can see, this next day right here, after this gap up, the ticker opens up right here, and it actually drops down on the 1-year 1-day chart, and it touches this upper Bollinger Band line and bounces right back up and goes green. That is exactly what I am looking for. So if it pulls back like that, that is what I want to see, because as it comes down and hits this upper band, you can buy those call contracts a heck of a lot cheaper. So that's it. This is ticker HLT, and I hope these videos help you guys out. I hope this is well, actually, I know it's benefiting a lot of you guys. I just want to let you guys know I hear you, and I'm happy that you guys are focusing on these trades, and some of you are just knocking some of these trades out of the park. So I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in the next one.